How to reset your Stripe password. Resetting our Stripe password helps us regain secure access to our payments and account set. So if we do not reset it properly, we could get locked out or risk the account security. So let's do it the right way. So we open up a browser or the application called Stripe on our device. You can do any of them and basically go over to the login page or the sign in page. So once we open in the app, this is the particular interface with the sign in button on it. So tap on that option, and once we tap on it, what we need to do is wait for the login page to be loaded. And there we go. So this is the page we will be finding. Now, if we want to reset our Stripe password, what we need to do is from this dashboard right here, we need to tap on this option called forgot your password. So once you enter up your email address, if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this option called forgot your password and continue with the rest of the process. So for that, we need to provide in the email address associated with our account, and they will send us a link to reset our password. So just go over and enter it up and make sure you're using the correct email or the reset link won't arrive. And once it is done, you can tap on continue and click on reset password link. The link may expire, so you can open it quickly and you can create up a new password, a stronger password. You can confirm the password and confirm the reset of the password. And we log in into the Stripe dashboard, and in the first section we provide in our email. Right below it we provide in our password, and once it is done, you can tap on the sign in option and complete the two-step verification if it is enabled, and you should be able to access your account back again. And that's it. So we can just go over and follow up this process to reset our Stripe password safely. So we hope this video was helpful. If it was, ensure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.